And welcome back this Halloween morning. We're in the Mazer kitchen cooking up a storm with Craig Cassidy, or should we say James Spann?
James Spann
Yes.
for the day. Well,
Yes.
for the morning.
Although, I thought you were going to get blue contacts because, he has light eyes.
I'm sorry. You were right earlier when,
Yeah.
I don't know if we were on air, but you were telling Javante, I had to make this.
Yes.
James, you are missing out on a prime opportunity for producing your own Halloween costumes.
Oh my
Because
gosh.
they don't make mostly bald.
Yes.
Ball caps.
Yeah, and how did you make this?
So this one, which is fantastic, is nice and thick, and I can take it off and put it on, take it off and put it
Yeah.
on. But it's a really weird color.
Yeah.
It looks very jaundicey.
Yeah.
So I had to Kills primer, prime it white, and then it looked like this creepy clown thing. And this is actually faux fur from Hobby Lobby that I had to shave with an electric
No.
razor and dye with RIT fabric dye.
What?
To make gray. And yeah, it was a process. And then it has makeup all over it, which
Yeah.
might come off. But yeah,
That
James is a complicated character.
I was going to say.
He is.
But when
intense.
you're mimicking a legend, you got to step it up, right?
I know. I'm gonna do the best I can here in the Mazer kitchen.
Let's get to cooking up a storm. You're James, I'm a pinata, and what are we making today?
So we have 3 different storm-themed kind of treats, which is right up your alley because I've been watching on Facebook. You've been doing cookies and things dipped in chocolate and things drizzled in chocolate. We do have something a little more adult this morning.
Okay.
We're starting the morning with a dark and stormy.
Okay.
It's a cocktail.
Okay.
So we have a highball glass with ice in it.
Okay.
We have, and this is probably a ton of rum because, I'm a heavy pourer.
Okay.
All the children in here got me a little wound up. And then you just literally are going to top it with ginger beer, which is non-alcoholic. Ginger beer is like root beer. It's made with ginger. And you get a little squeeze of lime on it.
And that's
So
it.
that is a dark and stormy. Of course, you can look that up online.
Yes.
But it's literally 3 little ingredients. And of course, in Alabama, you never know what the weather's going to do.
Yes.
Sometimes it's nice and pretty, and sometimes it is dark and stormy.
Yes.
So you just, you don't know what to expect,
You don't
which
know.
is actually perfect for our next little treat.
Okay.
Our next treat, I got to run right here to the freezer for a moment.
Okay.
We're doing snowballs, which are made out of ice cream.
Oh,
So
nice.
I pre-scooped
Okay.
these little ice cream balls, and the freezer here is not quite
Okay.
chilled enough. But you literally just roll them. These really, I know it's white on white, so it's hard to see, guys.
Yes.
But these cute little flaky pieces
Yes.
are candy. It's like a cupcake topper.
Yes.
We have mini marshmallows,
Okay, so
which
I'm rolling
also
in.
you just pick up in the candy aisle
Okay.
at Hobby Lobby, and then a white sugar.
Okay.
And see,
and
Nicole's is perfect, of course. She's been practicing her treats
Okay.
all
There we go.
Halloween.
Bam.
Now, again,
Snowball.
in Alabama,
Yes.
it'll be 80 degrees tomorrow, and you might just need to eat the ice cream. You can come for the ice cream crown.
Okay.
I still got it. I'll return it to you. Or what we like to do is drop it onto hot chocolate.
Make a hot chocolate and put it on top.
It's like a hot chocolate
Yum.
float.
Okay.
Delicious.
James, we'll be back with you
I
in
will
just a
be
few
here.
minutes. Don't
Thank
go
you.
anywhere. And you don't go anywhere either because we've got the next hour of Halloween details for you, including some fun Halloween house decor. Don't worry. Don't worry. Some of the stuff can be put together at the last minute. And look at this adorable Cabbage Patch Baby. Oh my gosh. Cute, cute. Oh, and the kissing booth. Only 25 cents. I'm bringing my dollar over, cutie. We'll be at the kissing booth soon. We got to take a quick commercial break, but keep it right here on TOA.